Hey everybody, this is Mr. Marshall at Stony Lane again. I'm here to teach you another math game, and in this math game, you're going to be comparing and adding decimals. Okay, so let's get started. Remember, in the beginning of these games, you always want to make a copy. So click on File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation, and then you go to the beginning of the title here. You put your first name. And then I'm going to put it in my drive. Your teacher may have a special place that they want you to put this. And then you can start playing. Ready? So here we go. All right. For this game, you're going to need a die. And if you don't have one, I have the electronic one here. You just click on this link right here and open it up. Remember, you can use the dotted die or the numeral die, whichever one you want. Okay, so you just drag it out here and you roll by clicking that button. Okay, let's go back. Let's take a look at this game. So this is called Those Decimals. Okay, Those Decimals. And so what happens is you roll a die and you insert the numbers in these squares up here. Okay, and so let's go. Let's get started. So I'm going to roll 5. I'm going to put the 5 here because it's sort of a big number. Let's roll again. I got a 6. I'm going to put that here because I know that's a big number. I want to get a big number. Okay, so let's roll again. I got a 2. And put the 2 up here. Okay, and while we're playing this game, we're going to keep going and trying to get big numbers, the biggest that we can. 6. All right, and like I'm not going to do this. I'm going to fast forward now because I want you to do the fun part of this is playing. So you'll notice that these numbers are all set up differently. Like this one has a number in the tens place. This one has a number in the thousandths place, right? And so when we're done, now we're going to read them all. Ready? Let's read them. 4 and, because we say and when we see the decimal point, 4 and 32 hundredths, right? 65 and 1/10. This one is just a decimal. 531 thousandths, 6 and 22 hundredths. Okay, now let's add them up. That's what we do next. Oh, no, sorry, that's not what. Oh, yeah, we do that next. Sorry. All right, so 1 comes down. 2 and 3 is 5, and 2 is 7. 3 and 1 is 4, and 5 is 9, and 2 is 11. So I put a 1 here, and I regroup. I put a little 1 up here in my mind. 1 and 4 is 5, and 5 is 10. 10 and 6 is 16, so I put the 6 down, and I regroup the 1. 1 and 6 is 7. So I have 76 and 171 thousandths, right? So, but before I do anything else, the next thing I need to do is rank my decimals from the highest to the lowest. So my highest one, well, is this one. So I'm going to drag the number 1 up here. Well, this dragging is sometimes hard. It's giving me a hard time today. My second one is, I've got a 4 and a 6. It's the 6. So I'm going to put the 6 here. I'm going to put the number 2 up by the 6 and 22 hundredths. There we go. This one was number 1. And then this is number 3. And this is number 4. Come on. Here we go. There we go. And now I'm going to write my sum in words. Just this one. Ready? So I'm going to click in this box. This is a text box, so I can do this. So I have 76 and, because the decimal point says and, 171 thousandths. My head's in the way so you don't see it, but that's 76 and 171 thousandths. Okay, if you wanted to make this game a little different, what you could do is you could have a race with a partner and see who has the biggest sum. Okay, and that's how you play those decimals. All right, I hope you enjoy the game, and I'll see you next time.